Hello everyone, and welcome to the first part of the review for the new SJCam Ion series. This is the Krypton model. This is a truly 4K camera with lots of potential and lots of features. So first thing that you are going to find out is that it has a large touchscreen, it has gyro stabilization, it comes with a waterproof case and a lot of accessories. And you know what, let's take it out of the box and see what else we get inside. So the camera comes back really nice. It's kind of the standard SJCam packaging, and this is the camera installed in the waterproof case. And let's take a quick look at the accessories. So keep in mind, this is kind of a special sample. It's not yet the camera that sells on the market, so this is a special bundle with less accessories, less features. The final version of this product may differ a bit. So you get quick mounts, adhesive pads and quick release. You get spare adhesive pads. You get USB Type-C connector, as SJCam has updated their cameras with that type of connector. You get the highly priced lens cap, which is really useful, and a lot of people ask for this, so SJCam is now including that. And of course you also get a nice and large microfiber cloth for cleaning the lens without producing any kind of scratches. And going to the camera, it has this nice open design which prevents accidental opening of the case underwater, and you need to slide this, and only then you can actually remove the hatch that keeps the door closed. And there you go, that's the camera. And the design looks really nice. It's kind of a soft paint type of material, making it really grippy and nice to keep it in your hands. It has the power button here, shutter button, LEDs in front, and the USB connector which is hidden there. And let's take a quick look at the battery. The battery has a quick remove tab, and the micro SD goes in there. The battery is rated for let's see, the capacity should be written somewhere. There you go, 1200 milliamps, 3.8 volts nominal, which makes this a high voltage lithium ion cell, and that should provide longer runtime, especially in cold situations. And the camera works out of the box, has a bit of battery left. So I'm going to zoom in now, and I'm going to show you the menu and the features. And you can see it has the gyro activated, and it's in 4K. And this is amazing about this model, is that it has a very nice gyro stabilization even in 4K. As you can see, I'm actually moving the camera a lot, and the video, it's really stable, really stable. And if I disable the gyro, you can see that right away. And alright, so you can see the shake there, and that's without the gyro. So I'm moving the camera the same way as I was moving it previously, so you can see how good that system works. It kind of removes all the unwanted shake in the video. So let's zoom in, and I'm going to show the menu. So this should be better. Now you can see the OSD in detail, and this thing is designed very nicely, as it will show you all the needed information, such as the active system like gyro. It shows that it records sound, the battery level. Now it's charging because the battery was very low. It shows the remaining time and the recording time. I don't have a micro SD card, so it's 0 inside. It also has auto shutdown of the LCD screen enables, so that was the reason it has turned off. And here you have playback, you have the current resolution, you have the current video quick menu system here, and the magic one there, and the settings here. So I'm going to explain you why there are several things here. So when you are in video mode, you have the current resolution, and with this new interface you don't have to go to settings, change the resolutions, come back and take a lot of time doing that. You just click on the resolution and you have quick access to the supported resolutions. You are going to select the needed resolution, and that was it. You don't have to access the full settings menu, which is really nice. Of course, if you want to take a picture, you can do things like that. Just slide, and now I'm picture mode, now I'm in video mode. So that makes it really quickly a quick design. You also have this drawer here like on Android phones, and you have wireless remote control, TV out and LCD lock. At a quick glance, you don't have again to enter settings, and from here you can select modes such as video, video labs, slow recording, still photo, photo labs, burst, car mode, underwater. So yet again, you don't need to enter the settings menu to select those, and you can access them from here. With this magic wand here, there are properties that are dedicated to the mode that you are on. So for instance, I'm now in 2.7K 60 frames per second, and I want to see what I can tune and set for that setting of video resolution and frame rate. So if I press this, it shows me what is available. So I can choose the video codec for the recording, and this camera supports the newer H.265 type of compression. This thing has rather the same quality as the old H.264, but will almost save as twice as much space, but needs a very powerful PC to play back. So it's kind of compressed but keeps the quality. You have the loop recording, FOV, wide dynamic range, gyro sensor, audio settings, volume settings, timestamp. So everything is there. Contrast, white balance, color, EV metering, and you can see distortion correction is off, and FOV is off because I'm using the gyro sensor. And if I turn that off, I now have options for distortion correction, which I can enable, and now I will not have a fisheye video. Right, and in settings are general camera settings such as language, fast boot, date and time settings, format D, micro SD card, TV mode, fast record, and it's this nice thing like wide dynamic range info. This will show you on screen if you have it enabled or not, and it kind of shows you the difference it having it enabled or disabled. Keep at tone, which you can also disable, LCD brightness, screensavers, frequency for the area you are on. You can display an SJCam logo watermark if you want to, and a lot of other type of customization and features there. Like all SJ camera, this one also comes with wireless connectivity, so you can use the same app, the SJCam Zone, and this thing will connect right away. And I have video on my mobile phone without any kind of hassles. And the app has gotten some updates recently, and it's a very good app. It has minimal lag, it's very stable, works really nice, and it lets you access most of the camera settings. So if you click on that wheel there, the cog, you have here resolutions, you have cyclic recording, wide dynamic range, audio, everything is here, photo settings, video settings, a lot of stuff is there. You can change quickly the resolution from here, and there are a lot of resolution modes. You can change the recording mode such as picture, video, type of video like video lapse, photo lapse, and things like that. You can trigger the shutter from here, so you can basically use the phone as a remote. And of course you have a playback for video and photo. You have a micro SD card inserted, so you have files on that. You can access it from here. You can see them directly on your mobile phone, or you can download them from the camera to your phone. The camera, it's two-way, it's two-mode wireless. It has 2.4 and 5 gigahertz wireless. So on 5 gigahertz it downloads the files very fast, and that's really nice. Now it's into port 4 mode, but if you go to settings menu, and I can't access it from the camera, maybe from here on the wireless settings, Wi-Fi settings here, you can actually change the band to 5 GHz, so that's really nice. So this was my first part of the full review that I'm going to do for this camera. There are going to be sample released and a lot of tests with this camera, but I just wanted to show you a glimpse of how the camera looks, how the OSD looks, how it works, how it connects, and the basic stuff about it. And this is going to be a really nice camera model, and you are going to see a lot of samples on my channel sooner or later taken with this camera. So be sure to subscribe and follow my next uploads, and until then, bye bye.